There are many studies in the internet regarding this topic. Does whey protein really increases our hair fall? Let's discuss today with our own research that we did for 8 to 9 years with our patients. So first of all, we are going to discuss the topics that what is whey protein, what are the causes of hair fall, and what are the impacts of exercise. I am Dr. Shataj. Today I will explain all the topics, and please watch the video till the end so that you will get all your answers. First, we want to know that what is whey protein. Process of making whey protein is when we make cheese or milk products, the water that comes out from the milk that is dried up and made into a powder, and that's called whey protein. So what are the components of whey protein? These are amino acid chains, alpha-lactalbumin, beta-lactalbumin, and some serum albumins and immunoglobulins. And these ingredients are found in the whey protein powder, and there are 3 types of whey protein. They are hydrolyzed, isolate, and concentrate. Now let's discuss who will take these proteins. Which type of protein powder they should take. People who are obese and they want to cut down their weight, they can take the concentrate one. The people who are less obese and they want to build their muscles and increase the bulk of muscles, they can take the hydrolyzed one. And people who are lean and thin but they are trying to they are in between obese and the thin, they can take the isolate one. So how these protein powders are absorbed when we take? These are already in a refined form of protein like amino acid chains. So when we consume it, the elements are directly absorbed by our muscle tissues and they work on it and increases the muscle bulk. And if we take the natural protein, these natural protein will get some time to break down, and after passing a lot of metabolic pathways, we get the amino acids and that is absorbed. So when after exercise or after gym workouts, when we take these protein powders are readily absorbed by the muscle tissues, because after exercise the body muscles are in a resting phase. Now let's discuss about the causes of hair fall. Causes of hair fall among the male, 90% is androgenic alopecia. So in the name you can understand it is androgenic. So genic means genetic, and androgens is a hormone that is present in the male and also in female. But in male, these hormone causes hair fall, like increase in the testosterone that converts to DHT hormones easily, and raised DHT hormones causes hair fall. Now let's discuss the impact of exercise. There are 2 types of exercise. One is resistance and non-resistance. In resistance exercise, it means that heavy weight lifting, push-up and chin-ups and squat thrust. After that, many researchers have said that after resistance exercise, the levels of DHT hormones is raised. And in non-resistance exercise, there is yoga, skipping and cardio, so running. This non-resistant exercise does not increase the testosterone DHT hormone. So now the question is, does whey protein really causes hair fall? So the people who have already androgenic alopecia, their DHT levels are already raised. So there is no such studies in vivo and on vitro both that proves that whey protein powder is linked with the DHT hormones. It means that whey protein does not increase the DHT hormone. So people having androgenic alopecia and you are also they are doing the workout in gyms, if you are facing the hair fall problems, you can take the whey protein as well as also the hair supplements and hair medications that are especially for hair fall. So by this you can control hair fall. And other than that, if you want, you can take the hydrolyzed form of whey protein that is in less concentration, and also take the treatment of hair fall. We get a lot of questions that we are doing gym and we are having hair fall. So for them, we also advise that you can take the organic protein powder that are available in market. And also, if you don't want to take any whey protein powder, you can also take the natural protein. In natural protein there is whey protein also, like in sprouts, lentils, fish, eggs, milk. You can also get the whey protein. So in our clinic we have researched a lot, and many of the gym professionals, trainers comes to our clinic with the problem of hair fall, where they are facing these problems a lot. So for them we advise to do the resistance. If they're doing resistant exercise, we tell them to do the non-resistance exercise as well, so they can balance. And also if they want, we advise them to take the hair fall medications, hair supplements and biotins, so their hair fall is controlled. And we got a very good positive results from them, that the hair fall problem is now controlled by taking this whey protein and also adding the hair supplements.
My name शाम सिंह शेरा, जैसे कि आप सभी तो मुझे जानते हो। तो बॉडी बिल्डिंग जब से मैं स्टार्ट किया तब से लेके मैं शुरू से लेके मैं देखता आ रहा हूँ कि बहुत से बॉडी बिल्डर हैं जिनके बाल निकल चुके हैं सिर के, वो गंजापन हो गया, टकला हो गया, टकले हो गए बहुत से बॉडी बिल्डर। मैं शुरू से इस चीज़ को लेके चिंतित था। फिर मैंने वेबसाइट से एक बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर नीलेश पूर्ण, उनका वेबसाइट पे उनका नाम ढूंढा। फिर मैंने वहाँ से उनका जो है न्यू रूट्स हेयर क्लिनिक है नागपुर में, मैंने वहाँ पे उनका वेबसाइट से वो ढूंढा। फिर वहाँ पे मैंने अपना पिछले 3 मंथ से मैं इनके संपर्क में हूँ। 3 साल से मैं अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवा रहा हूँ। जैसे कि ज़्यादा बॉडी में टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेने से बॉडी के बाल निकल जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने डॉक्टर सर ने मेरा वो PRP जो ट्रीटमेंट है वो चालू किया और मुझे अच्छी डाइट के बारे में बताया। डाइट वो ज़्यादा नहीं है, वही सेम डाइट है जो हम बॉडी बिल्डर लेते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा सा इधर उधर थोड़ा सा डाइट को कम किया या बढ़ाया वो डॉक्टर सर ने। तो इनके अकॉर्डिंग मैं अभी चल रहा हूँ। मेरे जो हेयर अभी मैंने ट्रांसप्लांट तो नहीं कराया, लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया है, क्योंकि मैं इनके अकॉर्डिंग जो डाइट ले रहा हूँ, जो इनका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं बहुत सेटिस्फाई हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे आके देखता हूँ, जब भी हर 3 मंथ 6 मंथ में मैं यहाँ इनके क्लिनिक में आता हूँ। यहाँ से जितने भी यहाँ पे इनके लगा के अपने बाल ट्रांसफर करवा के जितने भी यहाँ पे जाते हैं लोग, वो सभी इनसे बहुत सेटिस्फाई है, वो बहुत खुश रहते हैं। तो मैं भी बहुत सेटिस्फाई उनसे मिलके कि मेरे बाल अभी बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करता हूँ यहाँ पे। थैंक यू।
So another question we also get from you, that after hair transplantation, from which day we can join our gym and do our workouts? So the answer is after 22 to 23 days you can do your gym and workouts again after hair transplantation, including you have to take the medicines as well. So I hope today you all got your answers regarding whey protein powder and hair fall. So this is it for today. Thank you so much. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to comment down, and we will reach you soon. Thank you so much.